Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Snapchat lag on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and go back, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After clicking system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. For example, this is Snapchat app. Click on storage usage and clear cache Snapchat app. After clear cache Snapchat app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reinstall app. Remove app. Just click and hold on app and click on uninstall. After click on uninstall, you will see your app is removed. And if you want to reinstall, click on Play Store app and click on search and search Snapchat app. So you will see install from here. After installing, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Snapchat lag on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.